Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to fix Roblox. Your account has not been charged. If you're seeing this message, your account has not been charged, don't worry. It's usually temporary and easy to fix. Start by refreshing the page or restarting the app to make sure it's not a simple loading issue. If the message keeps appearing, it could mean your payment didn't process correctly or Roblox servers are having problems. To verify this, open your browser, search Roblox status, then click the first link. Here you'll see updates on whether Roblox is experiencing partial disruptions, especially under the billing or payment section. If you notice an outage, the best step is to wait it out and check again later, as the site refreshes automatically every few seconds. You can also check your payment method to ensure your card or balance has sufficient funds before retrying. Once everything's back online, your payment should go through successfully without any issues. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.